Hold on.
Okay guys, Fancy Electronics back at it again. Hello YouTube. Hello to all my subscribers. I have a CT Sound 4000 here. This is one of the long ones. Make sure you give you a front view up there. In the back you have the dual port terminal and stuff like that. So this one is coming from a technician who couldn't. So that's what they say. He says he couldn't. This one is too much, you know. I don't know what he really means by that, but he said it's too much for him. I think it's gonna cost him, you know, time and stuff where he can't fix it or something. But whichever, I don't know. But so it's too much for him. Which I figure out, like, maybe he can't fix it, or so. Let's see. Try to take it apart. Alright, you could see, yeah, he already unplugged this from the. This comes with the Tiffany style RCA input and output. You're gonna strap it, I think. Yeah, input out, yeah. Okay, that's it. Come with the glass top, and as you see on it, it uses the NE power supply 064N and FDA 24N40F, yeah, for the output. And it comes with some, or it did remove some of the strap. Okay, wow, yeah, this burnt really bad. Wow, oh my words. I don't know, but yeah, I don't think you guys will ever make it. Oh yeah, even this cap maybe gonna have to change it. Damn, once I take it apart, I'll see if I can show you guys. But you could see here was the blue. You could see the air is dark there, it's burnt, and plus the power supply here, yeah, it's really messed up. So let's go ahead and remove the. Oh my God! Okay. Whoa! Whew. All right. Wasn't too bad with that. Removing this. Wow, these ones are really wow. I know I see why you only take those apart. These ones are really not that easy to take apart. Okay, this comes up. Oh, it's not easy. Wow. Really, it was coming apart. I think clipbacks. Clip. Hold on, let me. Okay. Wow. Good. So what I did, guys, I put it in the, yeah, that works sometimes. Not all the time, but yep, it worked this time. So you could try that if you guys ever get one of these to repair. The CT sound, everything in the power supply, all these must have to be replaced. Jeez. Man. Yeah, alright guys, that's some of these are really damaged. Oh wow, that fell right apart. Holy crap. Oh my. I'm cheating these. These must be like I'm gonna use them back. Only like the bridge rectifier when I use, but no power supply, so I can just force them all the way to the front like that. I'm not gonna use this ever again. Alright guys, so let me take the side apart. Oh, we put Phillips screws in here instead of the Allen key. I wonder if these are grounds. Let me see if I can remember repairing one of these. And this is for the, it says head unit, base knob. I have a key for this thing. Look at this. It doesn't have a ground strap, which is not that bad. That's good. That's kind of good. Oh, yeah, this is sticky. This is sticky. It should go exactly right back here. This is clean inside here, so that's a plus. Alright, remove this chassis here now. Guys, and up with this beauty. Alright guys, let me show you what's going on here. Oh my god, look at that. Damn. That's just demolished. As you guys can see there. Ah yeah. And that's not only here there. Look at this side too. Right here. Yep. And the power supply now. Oh my words. Let's see what's. Do it this way. Ah, ow. Getting stuff in the hands. The power supply, you can see. Yep. One side of the power supply. Next side. Oh my word, where does this come from? Let me find a LED down here. I don't know where that. Holy. On the other side of the power supply, let's show you guys. It's like that. Yeah, it's really messed up, really bad. Alright, so you guys can see it. Wow, if I'm gonna that's gonna be a little awkward working on this amplifier. So for you guys to see everything that I'm doing. Alright, I'm gonna start with like the power supply first, remove the MOSFET and all that stuff. Yeah. So yeah. Yep. Yeah, so I'm gonna start with, as you guys can see here, look at this. So I'm gonna put this. Yeah, it goes down really bad. Alright, so guys, already then, let's plug the solder in and we start this side here. Oh, train stuff just keep falling out from the circuit board, which in back here looks good. Yeah, the back view of this. Yeah. Yeah, it looks really good from back here, which that's kind of good to know. Yeah, that's really good to know. That's a plus right there. CT Sound 4000. This is the AT 4000.1D. Yeah. Okay. Already then. I don't think this is hot enough. Let's see if it's that hot, so I can remove. This MOSFET was replaced. You could see that somebody replaced this MOSFET already. They replaced it, but they didn't replace something else, and then could be one of the reasons why this amplifier go down like that. Oh, what? 5Q. That's the batch code for that one. 5Q. Let me use my little nail clip here. Right. So as I told you guys, somebody replaced one of these MOSFET already. yeah, you could see only one. So the original one was IRF. This was a 5Q here, 5Q GE. The one they are replaced, this one, and this one is the 64 FX. This one, this is the original one, and this is the 5Q. Somebody replaced that. Yeah, I don't know if they replaced it and they didn't replace something else, and then, you know, but it would work. It worked on before. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get all these blown MOSFET out of the circuit board, clean it up. Yep, for the power supply and the output, and then I'll get back to you guys with when I'm gonna install the new ones. If I have them in stock, I'll let you know, you guys know and see. Yeah, so that's it for now. So I'll get back to you guys, but please stay tuned for part 2 of this video.